Hello and welcome to this video. Now, stop what you're doing right now, because if you're watching this video, you're probably interested in QuickBooks Online. And if you're interested in QuickBooks Online, you're probably paying for QuickBooks Online. If I've got the right person, and if this is talking to you, then please watch this video. Because what we're going to do is tell you how to save some money while using QuickBooks Online. Let's have a look. Hello, my name is Aaron Patrick. I am a chartered accountant, a certified UK trainer with a fancy new logo, that QuickBooks chap on the internet, and also head of accounts over at Boffix. Now, one of the things we talk about a lot on this channel is all about QuickBooks Online and how wonderful it is and how it's designed to help small businesses just like you. Now, small businesses are loving using QuickBooks Online. And one of the best things that we can do and help you use QuickBooks Online is to make it as cost effective as possible to use it in the first place. So we're really proud to announce that we've launched a brand new store to help you get QuickBooks Online at the best possible price. Let me walk you through now, and let's together figure out how you can save money using QuickBooks Online. Let's have a look. Okay then, so as you can see, I'm on the Boffix Tax Tips channel. Make sure you get yourself subscribed over here. Just as a little button up here, look. As soon as you press that, subscribe for more content. Now, if I go to any of the videos here, I'm going to look at see how I can legitimately reduce my tax bill. Sounds like a plan to me. And from there, I'm going to scroll down and I'm going to look at the information provided in the description area. And from there, that first link just up here opens up our link tree. And on here we have loads of ways in which we can help small businesses, but the one I'm really interested in today is this one here, Store Discounted QuickBooks License. I click on here and I'm taken to this wonderful new store that we've designed with you in mind to make sure that you've got the best possible deal. And now we get the opportunity to look at what's on offer. Now, if you're confused at this point of which version of QuickBooks to use, don't worry, we've got you covered. Scroll down the bottom here. And as we look down there, you'll see that we'll be telling you exactly which version of QuickBooks is right for you. Taking this handy little quiz, it's going to ask you questions. Finally, when you've got to the end of it, it's going to tell you which version of QuickBooks we think is best for you. Okay, but there are a few things to take into account. There are a few things that you really should know about. Number one, if you already have QuickBooks, then don't worry, this service and this solution is still right for you. We can take over the license you're already paying and you're all good to go. But number two is if you don't have QuickBooks Online, then obviously we can provide you a QuickBooks license, but more importantly, we can also give you some tips, guidance, and also a complimentary one-to-one session as well. So with all that in mind, this is the best place for you to go to get your QuickBooks license. Let's have a look at it in a little bit more detail how it works. Okay, so I've done my quiz and I've done my test. Let's go and pick, say, Simple Start for myself. It's going to explain to me what is in that package, and also towards the bottom it's going to give me some extra features I might want to think of. We have our tax return service here, we have our Boffix payroll service, and we have our QuickBooks payroll service there as well. You can use the drop down arrow here to add any of those features on. So maybe you want us to complete your tax return as well. That can be included in there at a nice fee. And also we got the opportunity to put your payroll in there, so either standard payroll or advanced payroll. And you also have the opportunity for Boffix to run your payroll as well. Once you're happy with that one, I don't want any Boffix or payroll quote at the moment. I'm just going to press subscribe. And then from here, I just need to complete an email address. I can say if I have a license or not. Now, why is it asking me the question if I have a license? Well, this is where it gets a little bit tricky, but bear with me, we can make it as simplified as possible. If you're already paying for a QuickBooks license now, again, we can offer you that discounted rate, but there's an extra step you need to do. So if you're already having a QuickBooks license, follow these easy steps. All I'm going to do is I'm going to jump into the QuickBooks license here, and I'm going to go to Company Cog. Now this is me with my own QuickBooks license, but I want to transfer it over to the Boffix subscription model. So I'm going to go in and I'm going to go to Manage Users, and from Manage Users, I'm going to go Accounting Firms here, and I'm going to put your accounts in at boffix.com. I'm going to press Invite. Now what that's going to do is that's going to give permission for Boffix to take over your license for you hence why we can offer you the discounted subscription. Now there's one more step I need you to complete. Head over to the company cog in the top right hand corner. From there, you're going to go to account and settings. From there, you're going to go billing and subscription. And from there, you're going to use allow billing transfer to your accountant. Click on this button and allow transfer to. Now, once we've accepted your invite, so you've got to wait for us to accept your invite, you can then allow transfer, and that will give us the opportunity to take over your license. And then we can then start giving you that discounted rate. So as soon as Boffix has accepted the invite, you'll notice it will go from resend invite to accepted. And you'll also get a confirmation through the email. But if I then ask you to go account and settings one more time, go to billing and subscription, allow billing transfer to my accountant, team Boffix, valid for 2 days, and allow transfer. Now you've given us permission, we will take over the transfer. And notice at the moment I've got my payment card up here. And once the transfer is finally complete, you'll know we've got control of it because we go to company cog, account and settings, bill and subscription, and it says your accountant, Team Boffix, has your answer for you. Email your accountant for any queries, and from there you can email us if needed. So then the rest of the form is really straightforward. Literally, do you already have a QuickBooks license? That's the bit we've just gone through. Business name just here. And if you want any other quotes from us, put in your payment details, review, subscribe, and don't forget here as well, a discount code. Then use this discount code here to receive some money off your first subscription. My gift to you. And there we have it, it's as simple as that. Now, while you're on this website, do use the Boffix button up here to have a look at everything else that we've got on offer. So we've got some more offers for small businesses, to creators, to more established business. As you can see, we can give you services if you need it. As you can see, we've got ways in which we can make it really easy for you to get some great savings with QuickBooks Online. We don't just work with QuickBooks, so comment below if there's any other subscriptions you would like to see added to this particular service. At the end of the day, this is all about passing savings on to you and making sure that you're getting the most bang for your buck. So don't delay, get yourself a QuickBooks subscription through the Boffix web store, save yourself some money, start looking after your business, and also remember that means that Boffix is always there to support you as well. My name's been Aaron Patrick, it's been an absolute pleasure to do this video for you, and I'll see you in the next video.